The Enemy Part 11. We have seen that how Sadao had been waiting for the assassins for the last 3 days, for the last 3 nights, but they did not come. And the third day, fourth day in the morning, he went to his room and he saw that the guest was still there, and he had shaved himself, and there was some color in his cheek. I'm well, he said joyously. So Tom said, the prisoner of war said that he was well. Sadao drew his kimono round his weary body. He drew उसने अपना kimono थोड़ा सा अपने tight body के पास को लाया. He could not. He decided suddenly go through another night. And suddenly he decided that he cannot go through this another stress of another night. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. ऐसा नहीं है कि he is caring for this young man, but he cannot go through this worry. And you are well, Sadao agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. And then Setao suggested him that you are so well, then I can have a boat, or his boat where he can put food and clothing, and he can go to the islands which are not very far from the coast. It is so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. And these islands, they were so near the coast that it was not considered that they should be fortified means they should be prepared for any attack and all, means they were not very far. Nobody lives on it because in storm it is submerged. वहाँ पे कोई रहता भी नहीं है क्योंकि वो पानी में submerge हो जाते हैं. They go into the water. But this is not the season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. They pass quite near the island because the water is many fathoms deep there. Then he gives the reason the boats pass there, Korean boat. The Koreans can help him, and because water is very deep over there. The young man stared at him, slowly comprehending. Comprehending means slowly he was understanding what he means to say. I think, do I have to? He asked. Then Thomas, do I have to go and all this? I think so, Sadao said gently. You understand, it is not hidden that you are here. And then Sadao tells his problem that he cannot hide him anymore. It is not safe that he can put him here. The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. And now this young man nodded means he agreed in perfect comprehension. Perfect comprehension means perfect understanding, that he understood. Okay, he said simply. Sadao did not see him again until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat down to the shore, and in it he put food and bottled water that he had brought secretly during the day, as well as 2 quilts he had bought at a pawn shop. Now Sadao did not talk to him until the evening, and in the dark he pulled the stout boat, very strong and thick boat. उसने निकाली, and he kept all the things which he purchased in the daytime, and he brought them from the pawn shop. Now pawn shop is a pawn broker's shop जहाँ पे गिरवी रखा जाता है सामान, वहाँ पर आप सस्ते में सामान मिल जाता है. So he brought from there. The boat he tied to a post in the water, for the tide was high. Tide बहुत high था पानी में. There was movement in the water, so he tied it. There was no moon, and the work was without a flashlight, and they worked without a flashlight. When he came to the house, he entered as though he were just back from his work, and so Hannah knew nothing. Yumi was here today, she said as she served his supper. And when he did all that, he didn't tell Hannah anything. So Hannah ने बताया कि Yumi came. Though she was so modern, still she did not eat with him. Yumi cried over the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so. So she said that Yumi was crying. The servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. He went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature, the state of the wound, and his heart and the pulse. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of excitement. His pulse was showing little irregularity. Naturally, he was excited that he's going. The young man's pale lips were pressed together and his eyes burned. His pale lips were pressed, and naturally, he was tense a little bit. Only the scars on his neck were red. I realize you are saving my life again, he told Sadao. Not at all, Sadao said. It is only inconvenient to have you here any longer. Now see what Sadao says. It is only inconvenient that I don't want you here. I'm not saving your life. He had hesitated a good deal about giving the man a flashlight. He hesitated to give him a flashlight. But he had decided to give it to him after all. It was a small one, his own, which he used at night when he was called. and it was very useful for him. If your food runs out before you catch a boat, he said, signal me two flashes. At the same instant, the sun drops over the horizon. And then he tells कि जैसे ही sun जो है horizon पे आएगा, if you don't have a food, you signal me twice. Two flashes you give. If you are all right, don't signal me in darkness, for it will be seen. And if you are all right but still there, signal me once. You will find fresh fish easy to catch, but you must eat them raw. A fire would be seen. So these are all the warnings he gives him. Okay, the young man breathed. He was dressed now in the Japanese clothes which Sadao had given him, and at last moment Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. और लास्ट में एक black cloth Sadao उसके माथे पर बांध देता है. Now Sadao said, the young American without a word shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. And slowly he walked out of the house. Once, twice, Sadao saw his light flash to find his way, but that was not be suspected. He waited until from the shore there was one more flash. Then he closed the partition. That night he slept. That night he had a peaceful sleep. You say the man escaped, the general said faintly. He had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. So now, a week before, the general was also operated by Sadao, or Sadao told the general that the man had escaped. For 12 hours, Sadao had been sure the general would live. The gallbladder was much involved. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again and to demand food. And then slowly and slowly, naturally his gallbladder was infected somewhere, and slowly he became all right. सडाव had not been able to ask about the assassins. और जब तक सडाव से कुछ पूछ नहीं पाए killers के बारे में, so far as he knew they had never come. The servants had returned. Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burned sulfur in it to get the white man's smell out of it. So Yumi, extra careful, she burned sulfur so that no smell of the white man was there. Nobody said anything, only the gardener was cross. Cross means he was angry because he had got behind with his chrysanthemums, because he could not trim the chrysanthemums or something. But after weeks, Sadao felt the general was well enough to be spoken to about the prisoner. और एक वीक के बाद सडाव को लगा कि अब वो उसके बारे में बात कर सकता है. Yes, Excellency, he escaped. Sadao now said. He coughed, signifying that he had not said all he might have said, but was unwilling to disturb the general further. He coughed naturally because he was telling lies. But the old man opened his eyes suddenly. That prisoner, he said with some energy. Did I not promise you? Did I not promise you I would kill him for you? And then the general he remembered कि उसने उसको promise किया था कि वो उसको मरवाएंगे. Next in my next video.